approach me. I've been thinking about you and you only. And we just like to fuck, that's nothing else.
Hey guys, it's me, Jules. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Today I'm going to be toning my 613 wig using the watercolor method with purple shampoo and mocha hair dye from Adore. The wig is 13 by 6 and it is 26 inches, I believe. 26 or 28 inches. I'll show you guys on the screen soon. But I did get this wig from Amazon. The brand is called Ali Mumby Hair. I'll put it on the screen for you guys. I did have to tone this wig twice. And I added a little bit of mocha shampoo. A little bit of mocha hair dye. You guys are going to see. I was too scared to add a lot because I didn't want the hair to turn brown. But here you guys see me prepping the wig. You want to spray the inside with some hairspray just to protect the lace, to make sure you don't dye the lace and make sure the lace doesn't turn any colors. And you want to wet the wig before you dip it. I don't know why I saw it in a video on YouTube and I just ran with it. Okay, when you guys are adding your purple shampoo, make sure you add a small amount first because you are going to be dipping your ends first, and when you add too much purple shampoo, it does turn the wig silver. So the ends of my wig were a little silver purplish, I would say. Here's me adding some of the brown mocha dye. Like I said, I was very scared to add the brown dye, but as you can see, the water did get very dark, which kind of made me nervous, but it worked out pretty fine because the wig didn't turn out brown like I thought it was going to. I thought the wig would turn out really brown, but it turned out more platinum ash blonde, and the ends were very silver, I would say, because I added too much purple shampoo. So I would say watch out with that. Go light and then, you know, gradually add your dye or your shampoo. But yeah, you want to comb through to make sure you get all the strands of hair. Make sure you don't have any, you know, yellow spots. I did have to dip it again in the purple shampoo to make sure I got everything because I did see some yellow blotchy spots in the wig. But yeah, here's me combing through to make sure I'm getting all the pieces. I did go through and dip the wig in brown hair dye again, just to make sure the roots kind of match my skin tone. I really wanted that dark to light look, but I did end up getting the wig to just be really light in general instead of as dark as I wanted it to. But I did enjoy my results anyway. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll get back to you guys when I am installing the wig.
Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't he packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Sucking my waist, so I'm loving my bands. Like 1 million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rum. Big boobs in the butt, stay plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like I tell you, always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. No friends, I don't fuck with the fake. Saying they love me, but one in my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty bitch, but I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I'm proud that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker. Like what? Let's keep it a buck. Bitch too boring, I'm stuck in a rut. Lamborghini roaring when I hop at the truck. Pretty bitch like Lauren with a big ass butt. Yup, pretty face and a waist all gone. And I'm making them wait, hold on. And I'm making them wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Like damn, she on it. Get money too.
Okay, here's the wig, freshly blow dry. This is the color I did achieve. I did not do a bald cap. I don't use the bald cap method when I install my wigs. I kind of wish I did because I tried a new glue and it gave me a terrible chemical burn. I don't have any pictures, so I'm not going to put it on the screen, but it did give me a chemical burn once I took this wig off. I do cut the ear tabs off first just so I can size up the wig and for it to be a little bit more comfortable for me. I recently started cutting off the ear tabs first. I used to glue down the wig and then cut off the ear tabs, but doing it this way has been much easier for me. I would say it definitely helps the wig lay better. I would say if you cut the ear tabs off first.
No friends, I don't fuck with the fake. Saying they love me, but one in my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi.
I'm gonna be doing like, what is it called? Like marking where my hairline is. That's something new that I tried and I loved it. That was a new technique that I tried. Marking where my hairline was or where I wanted the wig to lay. I do suggest using like concealer or something and not like a lip pencil, because that's what I did. And it kind of stained the lace a little, but I didn't really care. Like I said, I didn't use a ball cap. I just laid the glue. I think I did 2 layers of glue. 2 really thin layers of glue. I used popsicle sticks to spread it. You want to make sure it's thin so that it dries clear. That's very important, making sure your glue dries clear.
Like damn, she in her mood. She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Stuck in my waist, so I'm living my bands. Like a million views in a day.
Before you move on, you always want to check if your lace is completely dry. Right there, it was dry, but it was still very white. So I did do another layer after that first layer was kind of dry, tacky, I want to say. But this second layer, before you lay your wig, you're going to make sure the glue is tacky. Not completely dry like the first layer, but tacky. To the point where like the comb would stick to it, I want to say. But yeah, you want to make sure your glue is tacky before you lay your lace on top.
Saying they love me, but one in my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty bitch, but I came from the gutter.
Okay, right here is me laying the lace. When you're combing the lace, you want to make sure you're pressing down as you're combing through to make sure that the lace really is stuck onto the glue. Right here you see me adjust, but I go right back in and press down with that comb as I'm combing through the hair. Okay, right here I'm just going through and doing some touch-ups on the lace on some pieces that were not sticking down. As you can see, the ear tabs were not sticking down for me. This is something that's really common for me. So if you guys have any tips, leave them below. But yeah, you want to press with your comb. When you're blow drying your hair, make sure the air is on cool and not warm. The cool air makes it hard, and I feel like it's a better melt when you use it on cool instead of warm. Warm makes it really sticky for me still. It doesn't really melt the hair. It's kind of making it feel like if you're sweating, I would say.
That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a peace of mind, baby. Come and get a peace of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait.
Right about here, my camera battery started flashing, so I'm going to show you guys really quick what I do. Once I'm finished cutting the lace and there's, some white spots, I spray some ebony spray on a popsicle stick and I just dab it onto the lace and use the blow dryer at the same time to help with the melting process. And then I'm going to repeat the same steps on the other side.
She said I'm tryna keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga. All I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young Tiller, girl, I'm known as Pink Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me.
Hey guys. Okay, so my camera was dying in the last clip, but we're finished with the install. I haven't really hot combed it, but I installed, like, on my phone camera the lace looks so bad, but on here it doesn't look that bad, and in person it doesn't look bad, but on my camera it does, probably because of the ring light. But yeah guys, okay, hey guys, I didn't film an outro. I'm sorry, I'm looking at my wig, because in the ring light it looks like you can see the lace, but in person I promise you can't see it. I'll insert a video of like what it looks like on my phone, you know, from another camera. But yeah, so this is the outcome. It's been like a couple hours and my camera battery was dying, so yeah, I had to wait for it to charge. But yeah, this is the outcome. You know, I love the color. I love how the color came out. I'm not disappointed. It's not the color I initially wanted, but I love it. Yeah. Oops. I wish I had my lashes done though. Ooh, if I had my lashes done. I might put some clusters on tomorrow, because tomorrow is Thanksgiving. So happy Thanksgiving, guys. Mwah. Eat some turkey, you know, be thankful for the family. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys hopefully next week. We'll be dropping another vlog. Deuces.